Hi everyone! Welcome to TouchNotes tutorial. You can create multiple layers that overlap each other, and each layer is independent with its own content. You can manage different types of content in layers and hide or show specific layers to meet different scenarios and needs. You can click the layer icon below the page number buoy to open it. You can also find it in the tools. You can click the plus sign to create a new layer. Click the little eye to hide or show the layer. Click this icon to select multiple layers. Merge them or delete them. You can also rename the layer.